Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Milwaukee compact spot blower. So this is a really nice compact spot blower. Now you will need a battery for it. This is the tool only. Now you will need the M12 batteries. That's kind of like the round ones here. They come in different sizes. This is a little bit bigger one. Now they're going to slide in here. Now I do find taking these batteries on and off to be a little difficult. So if you're somebody that's looking for something that's easy to change the battery, this is not it. These batteries can be a little tricky, but this blower is really powerful. It's got 2 speeds of operation. We got slow, then fast. You know, the trigger is got a little bit of variable speed to it, not much, and we can lock it on. And that also gives us the battery percentage. I like that part right there. Shows me what percentage the battery's at. Comes with 2 different nozzles. I like that this one's flexible. Just rotate it, it comes off. This one's more rigid. Kind of gives you a flat. Put it on, and then kind of turn it to lock it into place. Also with this, we can turn it, and it comes off. I can put the nozzle right on there. Make it kind of a stubby blower. So this is where it's going to draw the air in. If leaves do get up, they will get sucked up against there. It's got rubber padding that I like that kind of just sits really nice. So this one retails for $99. You know, I'm going to compare it with the DeWalt one, but again, I really do wish these would come on and off easier. You know, I was thinking about giving this to my mom, but she's not going to be able to get those batteries on and off. It's even hard for me. And actually, it was a compact. I thought it might be just a little bit more compact. You know, this actually is pretty big. It's not super heavy, but it's got some kind of weight to it. Okay, so let's see how it does. That's on low. Let's go to high. You know, it's pretty powerful. I think it does a better job with that nozzle on it. Be sure to check out my next video. I'm going to compare it with the DeWalt. Now this one, if you've got a lot of these M12 batteries, then this is the blower you're going to want. Otherwise, you'll need the other blower that looks like this one that takes the other type of Milwaukee batteries. Underneath the video, I will put a link to this in the show description notes. Also, if you could give it a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks everybody for watching.